This is our Electromechanical Technology Lab, Automation Engineering Technology Lab here at the Marinette campus. My name is LaBrosse. I'm a graduate of this program back in 2003, and I've seen how this program has progressed to what it is today, going from 3 credit classes to 1 credit classes, to having 4 labs per credit. And it allowed students that flexibility of being an open lab to come in anytime, any shift that they work for these non-traditional students. So we just extended our hours, and what that does is it allows other students to have more time in the lab to work with them. It gives them that time to work out of industry. Like, I have students that work 2nd shift, I have students that work 3rd shift, 1st shift. It gives them that extra time to come in here to get their skills built, to get that what they need to be successful in industry.